Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please do consider joining my YouTube family and make sure you press that subscribe button down below. It's the big red button, and make sure you also have the notification bell on so that you are notified when I put new content out on Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding Luxe Life and anything girly. So guys, for today's video, I'm very excited because it is the continuation video of my Hermès unboxing fail from a few weeks ago. I'll put a link of it up here where I unboxed the wrong size belt because I got squirreled on the website. It happens, right? So today's video is an unboxing and a reveal video because I also got another one and something else. So today came a package from Hermès, but before we open this beautiful box, let us first open and I wanted to reveal with you a belt that I got, and it's another one from Hermès. But I purchased this one from Fashionphile. I sold one of my Gucci belts that I purchased from a friend from, I think, a few months ago. I purchased it brand new from her. And I really couldn't use that belt for work because it was 1.5 inches. So that was only like a weekend belt. So it didn't really serve me a lot of use. It was pretty, but unfortunately it was just a plain casual or weekend belt. So I wanted something that I can use for work and casually. So my friend Jazz, and you guys have heard her name before, told me about this particular item popping up on the Fashionphile website. And one, I had some extra Fashionphile credits, and two, I also sold the belt. So basically I bought this one for like $100. All right, so I've already removed her tag because I loved her so much. I knew she was gonna stay with me. So this one is in the color Noir and gold with the silver hardware. So this one is the, what would you call this? The brush golds or brush silver hardware. There is some scratches, a little bit of scratches on the plating, but I don't really care. I got it for a steal. So I'm not really, you can't really see it unless you stare at it for a long time. So I'm probably gonna put more scratches in it in the future. So I don't really mind it. The best part is it is reversible. So I've got that black and I've got that gold. So that is belt number one that we got from Fashionphile. It only came with the original dust bag. It didn't come with a little dust bag like the brand new one from Hermès last week. So that is that. Let's put her back. Put her in the background. There we go. And for our exchange from Hermès, it came today, and I'm very excited to start the film because I want to open it and see. So, just like last week, we're gonna open backwards because my address is there, and we're friends, but not that close. All right, so let's see if this comes with that. Oh, okay, so it also came with a big white box, but why is this so much bigger? So, let's open her up. Oh God, why is this so much? Okay. All right, guys, so let's open her up. Okay, so it's cute like last time, but the box is the same as my teeny tiny belt box from a couple weeks ago, but the white box is humongous. All right, so Hermès orange. Gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. All right, let's do the unboxing. So we've got my return card. It says, we hope that you enjoy your new Hermès leather belt, blah, 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 return policy. I got myself another card this time, but I didn't write anything on it. So there's that Hermes embossing, but I left it blank at this time because, you know, if I want to use it one day, you'll never know. So we'll put those here. Moment of truth. Oh my God, guys, I can smell it. All right, so let's open the little guy first. So I didn't get a little guy from that. It just kind of came already all set up. So let's take the buckle out. Oh, by the way, that is a size 32 millimeter, another size 80, because I couldn't really choose on that one and it was such a steal. So for that belt, I guess I will be eating extra cheeseburgers. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. But for this belt, I got a size 85. So I can eat extra cheeseburgers on this belt. And I got, oops, the gold, brushed gold hardware. Why does this look so dirty? Doesn't have any scratches on it. Okay. She looks gorgeous. This belt buckle is made in France. And then, you know, I didn't look at this one. This specific belt buckle is made in France as well. Okay. So kind of the same idea as this one. So the reason why I wanted a gold belt buckle is because I can use this belt. So this is, as you know, I already got a 32 millimeter belt for the new one as well. So I can use this one as well if I want a gold hardware. So I've got a silver hardware and a gold hardware. I've got a silver hardware option for this and now gold hardware. So it's just so many options, right? Let's pull this out. I think you've already seen it. So there it is. I got the Blanc and the etoupe. And this one is, guys, new leather smell. So this one, oh wow, the embossing on this one is much more deeper. Okay, so here's the embossing for the used one, which is understandable. This one's used. Here's the embossing for the brand new one. And then there is the etoupe. This is the Noir, gold, and the Blanc. All right. Gosh, I can't breathe. They're so beautiful. All right, so let's do the white and gold first. Oops. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, God, gorgeous. Okay, so I got the Blanc and etoupe 32 millimeter and the brushed gold hardware. And then this one, I basically just found it on Fashion File. So if you guys aren't familiar with Fashion File, you basically buy what you get. So I couldn't really choose like different options for this one because basically this was it. And for $100, at least out of my pocket at the time, it was not a bad purchase. So that's how gorgeous she looks. So the reason why I chose these belts is because I can switch the hardwares back and forth and I can get so many different options and colored belts. I also prefer the thicker style belts like this because I like to, I feel like they cinch you at the waist. They really put like, I have a longer torso or longer legs versus my torso. So I love using belts because it does accentuate where my waist is. And it elongates my legs, I feel like. And also for these specific size belts, they look great with pants, like with jean shorts and things like that. So I can wear these for work and I can also wear them for casual wear. So as usual, guys, you know there will be mod shots. I'll be right back. So guys, what did you think about the mod shots? Leave me a comment down below on what you think about these belts. Do you have this size? Do you hate this size? And do you wear this size up to like a higher waist kind of belt? Let me know down in the comments. As usual, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, please make sure you leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.